The moment a new Shopify order comes in, your team should be able to see it instantly without refreshing dashboards or checking orders manually. Because as volume increases, manually tracking purchases slows down coordination and creates unnecessary delays. That's why having real-time visibility is highly important. In this video, I will show you how to automatically send every Shopify purchase directly into Google Sheet the moment an order is placed. This will help your team track orders faster and stay organized automatically. Now, first of all, let us look at the working of this workflow, then we will build it together. So to show you the working, I just have to purchase something from my website. So let me just open my Shopify store. This is my Shopify store, and from here, I will quickly purchase this chair. So I just have to click on this, buy it now. Here I will provide my personal details and I will quickly pay for my order. I have successfully purchased this order. Now I will show you my Google Sheet. On my Google Sheet, you can see with this new order ID 1441, all the details about the product that I have just purchased are added successfully. And this happened just because of this workflow that I have created here inside my Pabbly Connect account. Now you saw how powerful this automation is, because with the help of this automation, you can not just capture the order details, but also store them as a new row inside your Google Sheet so that your team can manage and follow up with the order. So this was the demo of my workflow. Now without any delay, let me just show you how you can also create this workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account so that you can also automate your business task, which will save you hours every week. Now to start creating this workflow, we just have to open the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. To come up here, if you are new here, open a new tab and search for Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect. Then you will get directed on this landing page of Pabbly Connect, where on the right side, you will get these two options, sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, click on this sign up free button and create your free account. After that, you can get 100 of credits every month that Pabbly Connect gives to every new user. With the help of these credits, you can easily create some workflows and run them for absolutely free inside your own Pabbly Connect account. After that, to make sure that your workflows run smoothly without even caring about tasks, you can anytime also upgrade to the premium version of Pabbly. Now the best part here is by using my coupon code JAIYT, you can get an instant discount on our yearly and lifetime subscription plans. So make sure that you are using my coupon code JAIYT while purchasing your subscription. But if you are an existing user, click on this sign in button. You will get directed on this all apps page of Pabbly. From here, to access the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this access now button. Then inside this dashboard, on the right side, you will get this button, create workflow. Click on this button. Then you can select this either create from scratch, or you can also select this create using AI if you want to take help of AI to create your workflow. And this is a new feature that we have launched inside Pabbly Connect. So make sure to try this feature. But right now, let us create our workflow from scratch. So for that, I just have to select this. Then we have to give a name to our workflow. Next, we have to select the folder where we want to store our workflow and press this create button. You will get directed on this blank page where you can start creating your workflow by integrating multiple applications. At first, we have to select our trigger application with the help of which our workflow will get triggered. For my trigger application, I will select Shopify because I have created a store there. If you want, you can select any other application like WooCommerce, BigCommerce, or any other e-commerce store. To select your trigger application, click on this plus button. Then inside the search box, search for the application that you want to select. After that, you can easily select your application. Then for this application event, as I want my workflow to get triggered on every new order, that's why I will select this new order. Then we have to create a connection between Shopify and Pabbly Connect. For that, press this connect button. You will receive this webhook URL. Copy it from here, and you can also follow the steps that are given here to successfully integrate your webhook URL. But right now, let me show you directly. First of all, open your Shopify store, and you can see this is the dashboard of my Shopify store. In here, on the right column at bottom here, we have this settings. So we have to click on this settings. Again, on this left column, here you will see this notification. Click on this notification, then this webhook will be visible to you. Open this webhook, scroll down to the bottom, then press this create webhook button. Now in here, for this event, we have to select this order creation. So we will search for our order creation. Here you can see it is visible here. We just have to select this. Then for this format, select it as JSON, and inside this box, paste the webhook URL that you have copied from your Pabbly Connect account. For this webhook API version, select the latest version, then just press this save button. Your webhook URL is saved successfully. Now you can see Pabbly Connect is waiting for webhook response. This means that we have to submit a test to capture a new response here. To submit a test, I will go back, open the dashboard of my Shopify store. Then you can see this is my online store. So I will open my store. After that, I will quickly purchase any item from here so that we can send a new response to our Pabbly Connect account. This time, let us just purchase this moisturizing cream. So I will click on this buy it now button. After that, I will quickly provide all my personal details and I will purchase this product for myself. So let me just add these details. I have successfully paid for this order. Now let us go back. You can see here we have successfully received our response here with all the details about this order. This means that our trigger step is working all fine. Next, we have to work on our action step. So for that, we have to click on this plus button available here. Then from here, we have to select our action application. Now, as I want to add these details as a new row inside my Google Sheet, that's why I will select this Google Sheet from here as my action application. For this application event, I will select this add new row. Now to create a connection, I just have to press this connect button. Next, you will get these two options. So if you have already established a connection, go with that by the second option. But if you want to create a new connection, select this, then press this sign in with Google button. On the left side, Pabbly Connect will detect your account. You just have to select your Gmail account from here. On the next page, scroll down, click on this continue button. Your connection will get created successfully. Then we have to select our spreadsheet and sheet where we want to add these details as a new row. But before that, let me tell you that if you want to improve your order tracking and streamline your operation, I highly recommend you start using Pabbly Connect as soon as possible, because in there you can create more such highly powerful workflows that will help you completely automate your business. And the exciting part here is if you will purchase your subscription right now by using my coupon code JAIYT, you will get a huge discount on our yearly and lifetime subscription plans. So just go and purchase this subscription to avail this exciting offer. Now let us select our spreadsheet and sheet. So inside my Google Sheet, you can see the name of my spreadsheet is worksheet and the name of my sheet is Shopify order. That's why in here, you can see instantly Pabbly Connect has automatically detected the exact same spreadsheet and sheet. Now you can see these are all the columns that I have created inside my Pabbly Connect account. Pabbly Connect has also detected them. Next, we just have to fill up these details to successfully add a new row inside our Google Sheet. To fill up these details, I will take help of mapping. To map data, you just have to press this slash. Then from this drop down, you can easily select the value that you want to map. But you can also search for it. So here I will search for the order ID. You can see this is the order number. I just have to click over this and it is selected successfully. For this customer name, I will press this slash, then I will search for the name of my customer. You can see here this customer's name is available. We just have to click over this and it is mapped successfully. You can see I'm using mapping because by mapping I can make my data dynamic. It means that whenever Pabbly Connect will receive a new response of a new order, it will instantly update these old data with a new captured data. This means that to allow Pabbly Connect to automatically change your existing data, you can take help of mapping. Now you can see just like this, I will quickly map all the remaining details. I have successfully mapped these fields. Now I just have to press this save and send test records button. We have to open our Google Sheet. Here you can see all these details about our new product order have got added successfully. This means that the workflow that I've created here is working all fine. Just like this, you can also create this amazing order tracking workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account so that your team doesn't have to search manually for every new order. They just get all the orders stacked at a single place. Just go and create this workflow on your own. But if you want to use my workflow for you, I will add a link of this flow in the description box so that you can copy it from there. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your team members. You can anytime ask your doubts in the comment box. My team will help you instantly. Now don't forget to use my coupon code while purchasing your subscription. That's it for this video. See you in the next one. Not just these, you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you want to purchase your subscription, you can check out the pricing at this particular website. And if you have any doubt, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your team members. And if you found our content useful, you can also subscribe to the YouTube channel of Pabbly.